Guys, welcome to a very warm day here in sunny Florida. It is 6 o'clock at night and it is 93 degrees outside, and the sun comes right in this window. Poor Boo's over there sweating. We're going to be trying some chocolates from the UK. Our friend Tracy and Paul, they sent me this little care package with 10 candy bars. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna try them. We're not gonna eat them all up though. There's just too many. You know, we'll have a piece, well, Boo might, you know, if it turns out to be a really good piece, yeah, I can see him doing it. So we're gonna start off with an arrow, but let me show you all the ones we have. We've got an arrow, Rispa Gold, Boost Duo, Crunchy, Star Bar, Yorkie Original, Yorkie Raisin and Biscuit. I hope that's not a dog, Yorkie dog. Yeah, Flake, which is, I'm not sure what Flake is. The crumbliest, flakiest milk chocolate. Toffee Crisp, and an orange flavored Twirl. And they're all by Cadbury, except for this one is Nestle. But I think all of them are from Cadbury, except for the one, of course. I'm not sure about the Flake one, but the rest are all, no, I lied. Let me take that back. Okay, these are Cadbury here. This one's not, that one's not. Oh yeah, Flake is a Cadbury. Toffee Crisp is Nestle, and this is a Cadbury. So, we've got an Arrow, which is a peppermint flavor. I'm gonna like that one. Toffee Crisp is by Nestle, and so are the Yorkies. So, but we're gonna start off with the Arrow and see how this tastes. All right, so let's take, they got a little warm on the trip over, but it looks like they break off in pieces. Ooh.
Is that green?
Yeah, it's green because it's peppermint.
Oh, okay.
I never had a peppermint one. Peppermint's my favorite. Boo's not a big peppermint, but you want to try it?
I can't see it. Okay.
I think it tastes good. It's light. It is flaky, like. It's funny how the texture is. Did you like it, Boo? No comment?
No, actually, it's pretty good. It reminds me of like those Andes mints in a way.
Yeah, it does have the Andes taste. That's what it is. Yeah.
Yeah. That
was good. Now we'll go on to Toffee Crisp. Well.
Goody goo goo.
Oh my goodness. All right. It's got like Rice Krispie stuff in it, like.
Yeah, that's good. Look at it.
The texture.
Tasty.
Oh, that was good.
It's good.
Okay. I'll set you to the side.
It looks like a meatloaf, but yeah.
Yeah.
But that was good.
Now, this one I'm very curious on Flake. So let's see what Flake is. You want me to cut another piece off for you?
No, I'll wait.
All right. Ooh. Well, Flake is
Is it flaky?
it is. It's like layers of chocolate.
It's the word flake.
Just chocolate.
Oh, there's still some in there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That Flake really isn't that bad.
No. We're going to try the York Original, or the Yorkie Original.
Actually, I kind of like the way that Flake tastes.
You like the Flake?
Yeah.
It's definitely airy. It doesn't feel like it would make you, like it would be too much on your stomach.
Yeah.
All right.
Which one is this one?
This one is the original York. All right. And no clue what's in it. It's by Nestle.
Nestle makes the very best.
Mm. And it's just chocolate. Now the other one is Raisins and Biscuits. So that one was curious. I probably like this, I think.
No, those are already kind of pre-cut in a way.
Yeah, they have their... All right.
You got any raisins in that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, I got
okay.
the biscuit too. That was good.
Yeah.
I like it with the raisin and the biscuit better than the plain one. Mm. Oh my goodness. All right.
Man, that was good. Yeah. It almost kind of reminds me of the Chunky in a way.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
The Chunky has nuts in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, there's supposed to have been
Peanuts.
two different types of Chunky at one time, but
Yeah. I like that the raisin just kind of like popped out and said hello.
yeah, that's exactly that. That's why it hit me late. Like,
Yeah.
It was like, how do you think I taste now?
Okay, this one has caramel in it.
I think you're gonna like that one. 'Cause you like caramel.
Oh yeah, this is definitely a messy one. I'll lick that.
Yes, you will. That's gonna be all yours right there.
Mm.
Well,
I like the caramel.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have that. Be careful and don't lick the doggone knife.
Yeah. Don't want another boo-boo.
Yeah.
No more hospital trips. I will say it was the first one of the year and the last
I
one.
think you like that one. You went in for doubles and triples.
I'm just getting the caramel off of the
It
wrapper,
still
you know.
counts as doubles and triples. Okay.
Out of the ones we've already eaten, which one's your favorite?
Well, I'm thinking maybe the toffee
Toffee
one.
Crisp? I think mine is this one.
Okay.
Crispa.
That's got your name on it.
Okay, this one's a Boo-Doo.
Uh-oh.
Duo. Boo-Duo. Boost Duo. Not sure what's in this either. They don't really say on the wrappers what's in there. Twist to seal. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. My hands are all sticky. Uh-oh. All right, so there's 2 pieces in there. And then you close it and they say twist to close. Ta-da, it's sealed.
You twisty and it's a tweet.
All right. I want to say there might be some caramel in this too, yeah. Oh. Okay, yeah, I can see some Crispies in there and peanuts and chocolate. All this chocolate. Now, crunchy. This candy bar says do not refrigerate. I wonder why you don't refrigerate it.
What was it called?
This one is called a crunchy.
Okay.
Alrighty. Brought the paper plate out. Oh, it is crunchy. Kind of reminds me of a Butterfinger in a way.
Oh, look at the holes in it. It's real airy.
And it's crispy.
Taste it. Is it good? Look at that. Okay.
Yeah, it reminds me of a Butterfinger in a way.
I feel like I taste butter in that.
Yeah. It's very rich. Woo. All right. Last one.
Goody goo goo.
This one's Twirl. It's an orange flavor Twirl. Kind of reminds me of a Twix. Because there's 2 pieces in here.
My goodness, that doggone thing was sweetie. Okie dokie.
Okay, last one. Airy. A lot of their candy bars are airy. Least favorite. Oops, did I throw chocolate at you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's my least favorite. All the other ones, though,
My least favorite was that last one I ate. The butter tasting one.
Oh, the crunchy one.
Yeah.
Okay, you like that orange one?
Actually, I think I kind of do like this one.
Some people will have a thing where they don't like orange and chocolate together, but give me an orange and dip it in chocolate.
No, that's actually good now. Seriously.
Second taste you got?
Yeah.
You really like it better?
I think so.
Well, I'll put these all back in the bag and we'll eat on them as we go. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, so whenever whoever gets to it first can have it. So don't leave it too long, because you know what happens around here. If you leave something too long, Yammi eats it. All right. Thank you very much, Tracy and Paul, for sending us this goodie pack. I know what you guys like, so I gotcha. And then you guys will have to do a video on yours, and we'll post it on the.
Sorry.
All right, guys, that's it. Comment down below if you've tried any of these chocolates and you like them or you don't like them. Yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Which one looked like your favorite? And we're gonna enjoy this chocolate. Thank you. Thank you very much. We're gonna gain a lot of weight, but thank you. It's all worth it.
I done got skinny, so.
Okay, Boo got skinny, so now he's got to put weight on. As always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. And I will see you on the next adventure. Bye. Bye.